Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an add balance command using Mongoose. So now let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so first of all in the last video I showed you about the balance command. So we're gonna edit it a little bit. So we're gonna go over here and type model.exports.addCoin is equal sync. By the way, shout out for one of keys because I'm still not good in this basically in Mongoose, so I learned a lot from Word of Keys. So we're gonna do like this. Return away Mongo connection, or not Mongo connection, or Mongo like this. Yeah, here. Add val.js. So let me basically just go to any command here. Let me copy that, paste it here, and remove the code. So we want only people with administrator permission to do it. So if you message.member dot has permission, and let's put here administrator return message dot reply. You don't have permission to do this command. Okay, now let's start by making let user equal message dot mentions dot first. Okay, or message dot members dot messages dot members. Okay, so now let's put like if no or let's first define the amount. So amount equal args 0. So let's say if no user, so it's gonna return sending message.channel.send. Please mention a user to add coins, and then if no amount, so return message.channel.send. Please enter an amount to add. And now let's say if is nan, and let's put here amount and return message.channel.send. Please provide a valid number. So basically here is nan, that mean is like not in number. So if the amount is not a number, please enter provide a valid number. So now let's make an embed real quick. Const embed equal new discord discord.message embed. Let's make the description here. The color, let's set color be red or green. Okay, so let's go over here and let's put const guild ID equal message dot gold dot ID and const user ID equal message or not message equal user dot ID. Okay, so let's put here new coins. So const new new ball equal await economy. Let's define here economy real quick. So const economy equal require, and let's put here like this database slash economy. So economy dot add coins, and let's put here gold ID, and let's actually make it ID like this and change those to ID, this too. So here let's say user ID and coins. Okay, so let's put here at the end message dot channel dot send embed. Okay, so here we're gonna put like added coins. So basically it is the amount, so amount, and then coins 2, and we're gonna put here user.username, and then we're gonna put now like this user have now a total of, and we can say new ball. Okay, so let's try it. Let me just change this to add coins or add ball. Now let's try it. Let me run the bot. Let me go to Discord. Where is the test server? Here. Okay, so now if I did equal ball, you have 0 ball, like 0 coins. So now if I did equal add ball, and I did nothing, just add ball. Okay, and did I got an error? Yeah, this is not important, just skip it. I just wanna know, for some reason it didn't work. Let me use this one, equal add ball, add coins. If no, okay, this is kinda weird. Let me node my bot again. Let me change this to C, and let's try it. Okay, let me do like this, and add coins. Please mention a user to add coins. So now if I did like this, and me, please provide a number, because here should be the coins. Okay, so here, and I will do like this. Please mention a user, so I will do equal, and let's put like this, and 100, and ping myself. It didn't send it. Coins is undefined. Line 14. Yeah, amount. Now let's try it. It should work. Hold up. Now let's try it. Wait, let me type it again. Basically, because my keyboard is kinda ridiculous here. Mongoose is not a function. But if I did val, let me check. It added. Okay, amazing. Yeah, and this is not working because it is connection, not like this. So let me try now to know the bot. It will still work. So basically, if I did this, amazing. Now let me copy it here like this and do like that.
2 hours later.
The problem that the bot was not even responding and that my internet was dead. Now let's try it again. Okay. Okay, here we see this edit coins to undefined. Let me go here and basically check why it is undefined. Let me stop that. So set description to username. I got an idea. I can just do like user ID here, and I can just do here, put one of those, one of this, and like that. And now it's gonna work like it should. Now let's try it real quick. Okay, again, that you, okay, UltraX. And here, added 100 coin to this user, and now I have a total of 300. Okay, working. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.